Sino kaya sa ating mga teams ngayon ang unang makakatumpak? Let's play the to-be corrected round. Pero bago tayo magsimula, kailangan natin ng good luck sa lahat. Group hug! Group hug! Group hug! Yes! Minakyaw mo eh. Grabe si... Minakyaw mo. Yes naman. Okay. Simulan natin sa Team Kitty Girls. Pwesto na, please. Okay. Tumpak! Wala pa. Sorry. I'm sorry. Akala ko may nasa bias. Okay, here's your song. 1996, Jim Brickman featuring Laura Prima, By Heart.
As I kiss this falling sea, I promise you I will be here until the stars fall from the sky, until I find my pink necktie.
The reason why?
Tanya, galing oh. Okay, subukan naman natin ang Team Tagalized. Pwesto na, please, here's your song. 2003, Sarah Geronimo, Forever's Not Enough.
If you ask me to.
Wow! Team Harana, please, pwesto na. Here's your song. 1982, Billy Idol, White Wedding.
Hey, little sister, who's the only one? I've been away for so long. I've been away for so long. I'll let you go for sing along.
So long. Here's your song. 2005, Westlife, You Raise Me Up.
You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. Are you strong when I am with the tigers? When I with you, girl.